Good morning. We're just getting up. I'm trying to wake up, you guys. Yesterday kind of wore me out. Got my coffee here. We're sitting out on the deck. Mason brought out some Uno cards. He's dying to play Uno. And Solomon is doing what he does, which is destroy everything.
Here, you
Solomon.
One. Here, have one. Alright, that's all you wanted. There.
Solomon. You can't do that to the Uno cards. Yeah.
As long as he doesn't have the whole stack, that's fine.
Can you not destroy the cards, please? Solomon. Are those your cards or Mason's cards? Yours? Okay.
He said he don't know.
Alright.
I'm playing too, so what's up? I have beautiful glasses. Or beautiful sunglasses because it's very sunny out here and it's a beautiful day. I hope the golf cart's working because yesterday it was working very well.
It was working well, but you hope it's working today? Why would you think it's not working? So, is your doll laying out on the
patio?
Yeah. It is gorgeous today. Lots and lots of sunshine. Beautiful blue skies.
You should say mermaid.
Oh, you're mermaid. And then it looks like the beach is beautiful. Ocean is gorgeous. I think today is going to be a much nicer day than yesterday. Yesterday turned out to be a pretty good day. It was really overcast and cloudy to begin with, and then it got
sunny a little bit.
Pretty sunny, and we all end up getting quite sunburned. Well, not a lot of sunburn, but
you got.
Oh, there it goes. Hold on to them.
You got almost major sunburn.
Oh, on my bag, I got sunburn. But I think I'm okay now.
Sunburn because Dad sprayed me constantly in my face like twice.
That's all I do.
So we're trying to decide what we're gonna do today. Probably
the water park.
The water park.
Yeah, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the beach today. We're gonna go to the water park today. Then on the other day we're gonna go to the water park and the beach.
That sounds good.
We only have 5 days left, so we better make use of it.
5 days is a lot of days.
Yeah, but we gotta make use of it.
Yeah.
We gotta make use of it.
I'd like to relax some too.
Yeah.
I hope it don't storm.
If it storms, what's our plan? Movies.
Yeah.
Wait, we're going to the movies?
We'll go to the movies if it storms. Our deal with the boys was we would give them extra spending money while they're here if one night they would watch Solomon so we could take the other ones to the movies. So they said yes to that, which is good. They don't usually like to watch the kind of movies that other kids like to watch anyway. Solomon does not do well in the movie theater, so we came up with an agreement, and then they'd rather have some extra money anyways. So that's the agreement. I'm going to try to get some editing done so I can share with you guys yesterday's vlog.
Yeah, and we're going to play some Uno.
I'm going to get a game of Uno in with them.
I'm making her vlog this. I'm going to watch this.
Mason loves our beach videos, and they have watched all the beach videos that we've ever done like a gazillion times leading up to this vacation. So I promised him that I would vlog this vacation a ton, so that he can watch it over and over. So that's what we're doing. And I'm trying to stay up on it and upload them the very next day. So.
You just do it whenever we get home.
Nah, I like to upload it real time. Alright, I'm going to continue to caffeinate myself and play a game of Uno with them, unless Solomon ruins the entire deck. Here.
Which is probably going to happen.
And, woo, I don't think we can do it out here. The wind is going to blow them away.
Yeah, we can. Bag, you go over there and block the wind. Here.
Solomon.
It's heading this way.
Solomon.
Alrighty.
What, are you messing up the cards? Huh?
Huge airplane flew by.
What are we doing today, guys?
No.
Water park?
No, today we're going to the water park and the beach.
No.
Water park and the beach?
I can love that.
I think we should choose one or the other.
Hey, just a little tip. Make sure you use sunscreen.
Sunscreen. How about sunscreen if you go out at all?
Yeah.
Yes. So I just got through editing the vlog, and I am uploading it as we speak. It's almost done. And then we are going to get ready and leave and do some fun stuff. So there's the big boys. You guys haven't seen much of the big boys so far.
Did y'all hook the golf cart up last night?
Yeah.
They went out fishing at like midnight.
You didn't get a bite?
What?
You didn't get a bite?
Well, I thought I did, but maybe it's
It's
just
probably hard to feel with the waves.
Oh, you probably don't even know unless you thinks it.
Yeah.
Was anybody out there fishing?
Yeah, it's like 2 of the people.
Did they catch anything?
All right. You skipped me? You guys. Are you teaming up against me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, oops. Let's see. I need a blue or a 4. I need a blue or a 4, guys. Let's see. Not that. Not. Oh, I do. There we go.
My turn.
Now it's Mason's turn.
I switch it to
Ooh.
blue. Uno.
Maddie, you draw 4.
I switch it to blue. Maddie, draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Okay. Now it's my turn.
I have to think
All right. I think I will make Mason draw 4, and I'm gonna change the color to red.
One, two, 3, 4.
All right. Now you gotta discard one. I can see your cards, by the way. I changed it to blue.
I don't have any blues.
Draw.
You have good cards,
I have
Mom.
9 blues.
All right.
Now it's my turn.
Yep.
I do know, Mom. Dude, I was getting rid of my cards like this. Our turn again.
Did I switch it to blue?
Yeah.
Why did I do that?
You shouldn't have.
Wait, what did you just lay down? You can't do that. I don't even have a blue.
Okay, you have to.
Maybe I said green.
Okay, you got.
No, you can't switch it.
Okay.
Okay, you got blue, so I'm gonna.
But do you have green?
It's blue or 9.
Maddie, Mom has green. Repeat, Mom has green. Whatever you do, do not switch it to green.
So we decided to come back to the beach. Awesome. Mason is digging a big, big hole. And today we brought the umbrella. We have a couple umbrellas at the house, but I think that the umbrella is a good idea. Nice work. Sally, are you gonna help? No, don't throw. Good job. And Jacob and Gavin are out there with Maddie. Yep, there you go. Good job.
Bubba, come here.
Hey, if Solomon falls in a hole that deep, it's gonna hurt him. Are you sure?
Mommy, the ice creams are there and I know what kind I'm gonna get.
Okay.
I want the chocolate one.
You do?
Yeah.
Milk chocolate?
Only chocolate.
It's called milk chocolate, or there's Rocky Road or Happy Tracks.
Do you have normal chocolate?
Yeah, that is milk. Milk chocolate is normal chocolate. Did you know that?
Coffee, strawberry? I'll berry.
Strawberry?
Yeah. I want to change my mind out strawberry.
Okay. 1 scoop strawberry?
No, 2 scoops.
What do you want?
Out 2 scoop, Mommy.
You want to eat 2 scoops, I know you.
Yeah, she will eat it.
I doubt it. What do you want? You're going to share with me chicken tenders?
What is 400?
Solly! What kind of food do you want?
What is 450 scoops?
Yeah. Let's see that ice cream, girlfriend. Oh, that does look good. Is it good? So the rain has stopped and the sun is out.
Yeah, but we went to the water park, and as soon as we pulled in, a lady said, there's another storm rolling in.
Yeah, so we have to wait, right? We gotta wait. Although I don't really think it's gonna.
Rain that much.
I don't think it's.
Just on the shower. Cause look at the radar. All it was just a few showers. That's all it said.
Uh-oh, he sees the ice ski.
I need to order another one.
This is a little snack shack that they have here, and the food is actually really, really good.
Yeah, and guys, look.
Really good.
Yeah, and that's all the sun that I want to sit because I'm very, very
You're
cold.
cold.
Yeah, but my ice cream's gonna melt.
So we kind of messed up this morning by not getting outside early enough. And now it's like Solomon's bedtime, and then the storm rolled in. And so we're trying to figure out, you know, what to do. We might end up having to go back to the house. He's crying. In the van waiting on Jimmy to come out of the shoe store. We're getting ready to go into Walmart to pick up a few things, but the baby has not had a nap all day and he had just fallen asleep. So we are basically letting the baby sleep for a while. And so there's a little shoe store right here, and I went in and took a look around and picked out a pair of shoes. Jacob needed to buy a pair of shoes for his little girlfriend for her birthday, and I found those shoes in there as well. And then I came back out and Jimmy went in and he's looking around the store, and there is little man. He's all passed out. There's another little guy. Hi little guy. So anyway, we did the water park for a while. I look so tired and I feel so tired. The sun has like wiped me out. I am exhausted. But we are going to go into Walmart. We're gonna get a few things. I think we need some more charcoal. We're gonna do chicken kebabs tonight. So we're gonna do our grilling out and kind of hang out tonight, low-key, not a whole lot going on. And that's pretty much the plan. Mason, did we get sunburned today? I think we did a better job today of applying our sunscreen. Yeah. So I wanted some Chaco sandals and I found them in here on a really, really good sale. For some reason, like the blue print was so much cheaper and I actually really preferred the blue print. So hopefully he buys them. I laid them out on the little, like, oh, here he is. Let's see if he got them.
Look.
Oh, I see you got a pair of shoes, huh? Be quiet, don't wake up the baby. So what do we have?
Try to let him sleep a little bit.
Mom, I got
Did you get my shoes?
No, we put yours back.
I got JoJo's scrunchies.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, he did get my shoes, you guys. Okay.
You like these? These are on sale.
Yeah, they look the same kind you always buy. Don't they, Mason? He always gets
They have white ones like this. Would you have the white one or the black?
black. The black's good, but the white ones probably get dirty faster.
That's why I like the black.
Yeah, black's good.
You see how she treats me? You see this?
They do look like the kind, like usually just get black shoes.
That's because the others get dirty like
I'm not saying it's a bad
very
thing.
quickly. That's
I do
why.
like them.
And I only buy shoes every 2 weeks. I mean, they have to say clean.
These are the ones. These were, okay, so these were on sale, but these were $20 cheaper than the other pairs just because of the print.
That makes sense.
Isn't that weird?
Scrunchies.
Anyway,
Awesome.
I'm excited about these.
Oh wow, those are on sale too.
Yeah, really good sale. So, I like them. I'm going to try them on and see.
There's Mom and her new wheels. That's her Walmart Escalade.
Tell Mom having to use this.
I have.
Huh?
Tell them why I'm having to use. She broke the bowl.
Mason meltdown.
Mason?
I mean Solomon, sorry. Solomon's meltdown.
Solomon is melting
Sorry
down
about that.
and won't stop crying. I have to hold him, and he's 35 pounds, so my arm started going numb. So now we're riding.
Yeah, and guys, I have a unicorn scrunchie, unicorn, and I have this
Blue
one.
shoes, see your shoes?
Hi, I have
Nice.
really nice.
Nice. Slow down, you'll get a ticket. I saw the Walmart police out there, hot and heavy, girl.
I don't have restraints for my home.
Oh Lord, that's a $300 fine in South Carolina.
She's in Walmart, Dad. She's on an escalator.
She's on an Escalade? Wow.
Thank you so much. That's wonderful. Thank you too.
There's coffee.
So we went to Walmart. We are home now, and Gavin and I just skewered up some chicken that I've had marinating all day. I did the Caribbean jerk marinade, and so we put that with onions, red bell pepper, pineapple, yeah, and we skewered those up, and so now Jimmy is gonna grill those.
What are you doing?
Why?
Because we thought you were going to come down.
I am cleaning up, and Solomon's getting into some medicine, it looks like.
No, get into my...
Let's get it. No, sir.
Drop is like 2 or 3. Guys, just drinking some hot cocoa here.
Solomon Nathaniel. What's Dad doing?
He's grilling.
Hang on, he can't go down there right now. Solomon can't. Can you put this?
Holly?
Just stay there.
I'll lock the door so we don't go out. I'm gonna go out now.
Anyway, I'm spending this time while he's down there grilling to kind of tidy up a little bit. The house really hasn't been getting that messy. We've been really keeping up with it. But one thing that I did do to really cut down on the sand was we've got this laundry basket here, and I'm having everyone put their shoes in the basket when they come in. So, yeah. But here are my new shoes. Love them. What are you doing? What are you doing, mister? So, while Daddy's been grilling, I'm in here with the baby boy, and I've got the house mostly cleaned up. We will have very minimal dishes to do, and I am making some macaroni and cheese. And Jimmy is working on the second batch, I think we should turn that down, of skewers. So here is what dinner is looking like. Yum, yum, y'all. It's so good. I used because I know you guys are going to want to know. This is the marinade that I used. I just used a Caribbean style jerk marinade. I don't know if it will focus. Come on, camera. So that's what it is. Just the Walmart brand Caribbean style jerk marinade. And it is to die for. So good. I let it marinate pretty much all day. This is Solly's toys right there. Since we didn't really bring many toys for him, he's kind of enjoying his time there. Everything done? Yep. Not quite? I think he hurt his arm, Daddy.
Oh, this thing is so good.
Yes, very yummy.
Guys, I cannot wait.
Are you starving?
Guys,
Yeah.
like, those things look like delicious. Like the things outside that are grilling.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
So we're gonna have those with some Hawaiian sweetbread and mac and cheese.
I love that bread. Just
Yes. Eating good in the neighborhood, y'all.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
That's the thing, you guys. When you leave snacks this close to little hands, they discover Oreos. He got into the Oreo packet. No, no. No, no. Are you having an Oreo? No? See, I'm telling on you. Am I telling on you? Let me see your face. Oh, you didn't have any Oreos, did you? Oh, look, child. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. You stinker. You stinker. You got me dirty. You stinker face. Come here. Now Mama's got to clean. Oh, my. So, this is the joys of motherhood, y'all. The other day, I left the house. I promise you I'm going to show you my face. So, the other day, I left the house, and I met Jimmy somewhere, and we went somewhere. I don't remember where we were at. But he goes, what's on your dress? And I was like, oh, yeah, that's snot. Yes, that would be snot. And here's dinner. Yummy, yum, yum.
Guys,
Otter.
I love it.
Big man.